Hi, I'm Melissa, head of Ecom Content. Now that you have a good understanding of how to connect to a payment provider, in this lesson we're going to go over your customer checkout flow. It's really a good idea to test your customer checkout flow on your published site so you really get an understanding of how your customers experience your business. And it's a great way for you to optimize your site so you can see if there's any hangups or barriers that prevent your customers from actually completing a purchase. For example, maybe a button's in an awkward place, or maybe it's not actually clicking. You can catch these errors before you go live. In this lesson, we'll go over your customer checkout flow, your cart pages, as well as your checkout page. For this lesson, we're going to go over the checkout flow using HipHipShop. With HipHipShop, I'm going to put myself in the customer's shoes, and I'm going to add an item and go through the entire checkout flow as if I were actually buying a product on this site. I'm going to find an item that I want to buy. I'm going to select the quantity, and then I'm going to click Add to Cart. As you'll notice, there's this thing that flaps over the actual site. This is called the mini cart, and it opens up over the product page. So from here, my customers can either hide this cart page if they want to continue shopping, or they can click View Cart to go directly to their cart page. It's up to them how they want to do that. Everything's working well, so it's good. From the My Cart page, your customers will be able to view the items that they've added. If they want to update the quantity, like add more or take away one, they can also do that, or they can even delete items from their cart. If they have a promo code or a special discount for checkout, they can also add it here. Plus, they can even leave a special note for you as a merchant. So maybe they want to say that this item is a gift, or please include a special card for somebody and give them the name that the gift is for. They can do that as well. They'll also be able to see your shipping fees and their taxes before they go to checkout. Then your shoppers will be taken to the checkout page, where they add their details for shipping, delivery, as well as payment. So if I'm an anonymous shopper, I will just manually input my shipping information, my delivery, as well as my payment details. And then I can review my order before completing purchase. However, if I'm a member of the site, or I'm like a loyal customer and I keep coming back to this, I can just log in and I have faster checkout because all my payment details, my shipping address, delivery address, everything is automatically saved in my profile account. So all I have to do is log in, click, 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 and then I just submit my order and it's good to go. If you have automation set up, this is a great tool to build rewarding customer relationships. So again, automations basically are automatic emails that get sent to your customers once they do a certain behavior. So in this case, it would be great to have an automation set up as a thank you email. So once a customer completes an order, they automatically get sent a thank you message for their order. So we did the whole checkout flow from desktop, but make sure you check it out on mobile as well, because most customers are shopping these days from their phones. So it's a really good idea to see what that mobile experience is like. So I'd like to leave you with a few final tips on how to really improve your customer checkout flow experience. First off, it's really important to have as few clicks as possible from when a customer finds your product to when they check out. You don't want to make the process so complicated that they end up not wanting to buy your product at the end. Secondly, it's really nice to have a members area on your site. That way you can give your customers, especially your loyal customers, a really quick and seamless checkout experience. And thirdly, it's a good idea to have automation set up, so that way you don't even have to do the legwork. These emails will be sent automatically to your customers whenever they complete certain actions on your site. Lastly, it's a great idea to add a standalone Add to Cart button. What this does is a customer can just click on this button and go directly to the checkout page. Thanks for watching. Your online store is basically ready to go live. So check out the next video for a few final steps that you need to complete before you can publish your site and start raking in the sales.